Friends, it is 20th October. This is Ratnam coming to you with financial news. We have here some news on the new notes approvals given by the SEBI for the new IPOs. And so many investors and retail investors were disheartened when they couldn't get their places, when they couldn't get their investment in the past items. But today we have so many, at least 9 A-listed SEBI nod for 6 crore Policybazaar IPO. SoftBank company founders to offload shares in sale offer. Financial Express. PB Fintech, the parent firm of insurance aggregation Policybazaar, on Tuesday received approval from the Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) to raise 6 crore 6,017 crore through an initial share sale. A company spokesperson confirmed the development to Financial Express, but did not elaborate on the details of the upcoming initial public offer. So, the Policybazaar is coming up, and we have our latest other approvals also. Star Health, Nykaa, Adani Wilmar, Penna Cement, Latent View, Sigachi Industries, Policybazaar. These are all coming up with the IPOs. So en route to Dalal Street. Star Health, Nykaa, Adani Wilmar, Penna Cement, Latent View, Sigachi Industries, Policybazaar are coming up with IPOs. So be ready and take your chance and take your role for next attachment. And here we have this GE starts due diligence for merger with Sony Picture Networks. So GE and Sony likely to get merged. As part of the deal, SPN will infuse about $1.58 billion in the merged entity. This is also a merger unity, and we have the same news from Mint. It says News. Where is it? Credible. Here it is. State-run LIC may back GE's merger with Sony GTV. If LIC closes and if LIC does endorse the G-Sony merger, it may also influence how GE's public shareholders vote on the proposal. State-run LIC may back GE's merger with Sony India. This is one big news concerning merger items. And we have some big items on this crypto. So Bitcoin pushes forward record before debut of future-based ETF. Future-based ETF. That's market change from the median when worries about energy usage and a harsh crypto crackdown in China sent prices tumbling down below $30,000. So far in October, Bitcoin has crushed all other crypto indexes, signaling that Bitcoin's season has started. Meanwhile, global open interest denominated in the cryptocurrency has increased by 23%, they said, marking the fastest 18-day increase in more than 7 months. ProShare plans to start the fund on the New York Stock Exchange on Tuesday. The move is the latest sign of how cryptocurrency related investments are becoming more and more mainstream. So with this Bitcoin ETF, futures-based ETF, exchange-traded fund on New York Stock Exchange brings cryptocurrency or the Bitcoin into main live stream. And this is also highlighted in other papers also. You can see them. Bitcoin pushes toward record before future-based ETF debut. Bitcoin pushes toward record before futures-based ETF debut. Bitcoin continued its climb toward all-time highs, bolstered by optimism over the upcoming launch of the first Bitcoin futures exchange-traded fund in the US by asset manager ProShares. The largest cryptocurrency rose as much as 2.6% Tuesday to trade around $62,961. It's more than doubled this year in volatile trading. The April record is just under $64,870. ProShares plans to start the fund on the New York Stock Exchange Tuesday. The move is the latest sign of how cryptocurrency related investments are becoming more mainstream. It's an incredibly bullish week. Sam Bankman-Fried, Chief CEO of exchange FTX, said on phone, the prospect of increased interest in Bitcoin from institutional and retail investors in bolstering the token, whose 2021 climb dwarfs the returns from traditional assets like stocks, bonds, and gold. That's a market change from mid-year when worries about its energy usage and harsh crypto crackdown in China sent prices tumbling down below $30,000. Bitcoin season has started. Global open interest denominated in the cryptocurrency has increased by 23%. Futures contracts on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange have led the way in the rise open interest and sit near record highs of almost $4 billion. Other coins are also up so far this week, including second largest token Ether, that is Ethereum. So friends, Bitcoin is coming into our midst in the shape of exchange traded funds. Again, it is shown here. Bitcoin futures highlight some pitfalls for new ETFs. ETF Bitcoins may have higher costs versus buying of actual cryptos, but benefits of owning ETFs lauded by many despite some risk. Futures. A futures-based ETF price will not necessarily match the current price of underlying asset. In most cases, futures ETFs based on commodity assets such as gold tend to underperform physical ETFs, said Mikkel Morch, Executive Director of Crypto and Digital Assets Hedge Fund ARK36. In addition to the risk of futures based Bitcoin ETF underperforming Bitcoin, it also comes with the cost of the futures rollover, some analysts said. And all the same, analysts believe investors will still buy the futures based ETF despite the higher cost. Bitcoin futures operate under commodity exchanges regulations. Mutual funds and ETFs are regulated under the investment company regulations, said Karan Sood, CEO and Managing Director of Kobe West, an asset management partner of the derivative exchange Kobe Global Private Markets. Both these regulations provide strong investor protections. There is a rich history of strong enforcement of such regulations, which creates a high level of financial stability and integrity. So, exchange traded funds supported by Bitcoin are coming up and getting traded in the New York Stock Exchange since Tuesday, and it is coming into the mainstream. We have some more news concerning the CBDC, a game changer. So CBDC, cross-border transactions will get faster and cheaper. The main advantage of digital money is that it speeds up the transaction, simultaneously cutting back on costs. Innovations such as payments is an evolving phenomenon. While making innovations, three factors are considered: overall cost, settlement time, and safety and security of payments. The flip side, however, is it could increase terror financing. Efforts need to be expended to ensure that this also gets minimized, if not completely eliminated. Everything put together, it would seem that CBDC is set to become a game changer. CBDC is set to become a game changer. Central bank digital currency has become a matter of considerable interest. According to the Bank of International Settlement (BIS), 80% of the central banks around the world are now studying the feasibility of this new border transactions, such as for internal benefits. CBDC is expected to ensure three basic principles: those of do no harm, coexistence, promote innovation and efficiency. Digital currency exists purely in electronic form. Digital currency exists purely in economic form. Digital money does not have a physical or tangible form such as a rupee or a coin, and is accounted for or transferred using online systems. The RBI is working towards a phased implementation of CBDC and is examining the scope of it being retail, wholesale, token and account-based currency, according to Anuj Ranjan, General Manager, RBI. Not just that, it will also promote financial inclusion and simplify the implementation of monetary and fiscal policy. The transactions will be made using the distributed ledger technology. The transactions will be made using the distributed ledger technology. In DLT system, nodes or shared ledgers connect to form a common network to process transactions. This network can also extend to other jurisdictions and minimize the processing time for transactions. It provides transparency to authorities and stakeholders, improving the resiliency of financial network by eliminating the need for centralized database of records. So CBDC is coming in India in electronic shape to challenge the Bitcoin also. So CBDC will be a game changer. This is a news from Business Line on 20th October. The markets are rising 61,782. They have rushed in 2 sessions. They have covered 1,000 points, 61 to 62. So great news. India is going to become and enter into trillion market, and this is all the indications. So thank you for now. This is Dayaratnam, Dilse with Ratnam. Keep watching my channel, Business News, Dilse with Ratnam. Especially for crypto news, I will be giving a special feature every day on crypto news. Thank you. Bye bye. Share and subscribe. Bye.